Ever noticed how VLC never remembers your window sizes? One video opens up small, the next one is huge, and it just keeps changing, no matter what. And yeah, it does get annoying real fast. So let's fix that. I'm Arya, this is AZM Lab, and here's how to lock VLC to the window size you actually want. Now, let me show you another example. Here, I've got a gameplay of a game called Titan Quest 2. It's been captured in its native resolution that I play it at. And as you can see, as I open it up, it's going to open up this big screen. Now, I've got to kind of try to adjust it and that sort of thing to a size that I can maybe manage multiple other screens at the same time if I want to. But here's the problem. It would be very, very nice if VLC and Windows remember this video, but they don't. And let me show you what I mean. So as soon as I shut this down and I reopen it, boom, we're back up to the same massive size. So let me show you an incredibly easy way to fix this. So we're going to shut this down and open up VLC on its own without any video inside. Then we're going to head to Tools and then Preferences. Now, here you got an option that says Resize Interface to Video Size. Now, this is the simplest and easiest way to fix this. All you do is uncheck this and press Save. But here's the thing. This option doesn't always appear in all versions of VLC. That's one problem. But also, in my experience, I've had some issues where it just did not work. So to get this fixed properly and also get other options, look to the bottom left corner. There's an option that says Show Settings, and it says Simple and All. We're going to be selecting All. And in the menu that you get on the left-hand side, we're going to be looking for the interface, and mainly the main interface. Next to it, there's a little arrow. We're going to press it, and it's going to bring us a bunch of options. Now, we're going to be clicking on QT. And here, you have the option where it says Resize Interface to the native video size. This always works for me. This is the perfect option, and I've never had any issues with it. And here's the great thing with this menu, because you get loads of different options here that also allows you to do other things in terms of the interface as well that you can kind of play around with. But for now, we'll leave them. Now, all you need to do, same as I said before with the other option, is just press Save and basically adjust the VLC media player's screen to the size that you want. Let's say this looks okay. Now, let me shut this down. I'm going to head back to the same video that we're trying to watch earlier. Now, as soon as I press this, boom, nice and easy. It's all fixed now. If this saved you even a second of frustration, hit that like button and subscribe to AZM Lab for more straight up tech fixes, free small tools that actually works. And if you got any questions, drop in the comments. You never know, I might just solve it next time. Until then, thanks for watching, take care, and peace.